Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a nice strategy for binary option, for pocket option. So let's get started. Don't forget to share this video with your friends so you can increase your chances for what? For giveaway, of course. At the end of the video you can see how you can get part from my profit. So let's go. Alright, we're in the broker. I have a balance of $100 and this is from this amount I'm gonna increase and multiply my balance, so you can see at the end how much is gonna be our deposit. So all the currency pairs I have been selected and analyzed. We have some OTC currency pairs for analysis, and accordingly we have we have the OTC market and the regular market appear, which means we need a suitable strategy for trading, and we're gonna use Bollinger Bands with a period of third and deviation of 2, CCI oscillator with a period of 10, and also a fractal. In general, this is the selection of indicators. As I trade, you will understand how to correctly open positions with these indicators and combinations, and how to trade this strategy overall. So let's get started. Let me find first currency pair. Alright, our long position goes in, guys. Relatively good point of contact at the end of the closing of the candle, and let me explain to you the basic principle of entering this strategy, right? So first of all, this is touching the lower moving average in our case. If a trader is open for increase, the lower moving average is of our channel indicator, the formation of a new local minimum after touching the upper or lower moving. You can notice that the direction of movement is changing, and we add here this rule. We also see that our moving oscillator is in an oversold area, so we will expect an upward movement. Everything is very simple, so let's just watch the result of the first trade. We have 8 seconds and we're in the profits. So easy. Here we go, guys. We waited a bit until our candlestick dropped and touched the lower moving average, and only then I opened the trade. This is important nuance, guys. Always follow it. Let's continue the trading and select the next currency pair. Try to open short position right now. Alright, there is no short option situations. Let's open long. Here we had a very strong correction before, and here we see a good touch. In general, it's clear, guys. For you, I guess our dynamics continued until this touch point. The support area is in some way the lower moving average also touched here. Everything is according to the work of our strategy, so the signal is very good. We will expect an upward movement. In general, the dynamics are upward character, and we will continue to expect further movement, upward movement on our oscillator, since we haven't exited the oversold area. So let's watch the results. Let's just wait. That's it. Our second position is in profits. You see, correct analysis of the market is also important here. Here it was possible to find many false entry points, since the trend was previously very upward. The dynamics of the movement we corrected to our support area, and then again took on its upward character. So we opened the trade correctly and closed it in plus. So let's select the next currency pair. Alright, guys, short position goes in OTC currency pair, and the flat dynamics of movement are considered here. It's easy to open a trade here, so listen to me. Since there are many points of contact, we have a touch of the upper moving average of our channel indicator. There's also a very good price corridor, and there are also a lot of touch points and we also update the local maximum in this area. So we open short position. This is also an exit from the overbought area, and therefore we open a trade for short. So let's look at the results. And the next position is on profits. That's great. As I said, guys, it wasn't even difficult here. There were many points of contact. The deal was open according to the signal. from our strategy and was again closed easily with a profit. So let's continue trading. Let's open downward trade. Short position, strong downward dynamics. We have a new local maximum forming here, almost touching the upper moving average. But since our trend is strong descending in nature, we can afford to open a downward trade here. Highlight the workspace for you. Let note the formation of a new local maximum and further dynamic. Downward dynamic. We also do this because we see a way out of the overbought area. So in our case, here we need open short position. Everything is very simple. Let's wait for the results. Another position is on profits, guys. We will change the amount of the value. Let's put 671 to open for a full balance, and let's see for the next currency pair. Alright, two short positions, relatively good point of contact. I will now explain the principle of entry into this trade. We had a resistance area that was broken through, and new local formed the maximum in this part of the movement, right? The new local maximum is also formed, and the upper moving average touched our channel indicator, then the exits the overbought area, and therefore here we open a short position. So let's watch the results. You can already see the strong exit strongly. All right, we're in the profits, 25 grounds on our deposit. That's great. Let's open two more positions. Again, we're touching our support area or resistance area, watching for it, and then opening position. For example, like here, guys, two long positions, and so you see support area, we touched it. We have already opened trades before. Here we will highlight the workspace. So this support area, our lower moving average, is touching again after a good pullback. I think our dynamics should go up. Our moving oscillators have crossed the oversold area, so then I will expect an upward movement, of course. So let's watch the results. Alright, all of our positions is on profits, guys. We have more than $4,000. At the end, we almost lost deal because of the strong impulse at the end, but it may not have been a very good opening time, but in general we would have closed our deals anyway on the plus. So to secure the results, let's open a final positions for $4,000, and let's select a really reliable entry. Alright, final positions here in the direction of the upward trend. One trade we opened was not entirely successful, and most likely it will go negative, but we have this 300% they will go into profit. In general, the entry principle is absolutely the same. We can see a reversal of the oscillator moving average from the oversold area. Then along the upward dynamics, it touched the lower moving of our channel indicator. So the exit here should happen 100%, guys. One trade, yeah, will be the minus, but that's okay. I'll be happy with the result of closing of other three trades. So let's watch the results. Nice, guys, our all positions in a plus. That's very good. After all, we had a very strong exit, and this really makes me twice as happy because all our deals in the profits. I thought one of them gonna be in a loss, but anyway, the entry into the trade was chosen absolutely correctly, except one position. So we record this result. So let's move on to the conclusion. Alright, operation successfully completed, guys. Thank you for watching. You saw that great strategy, pretty easy one, and I wish you like it. Leave me reviews in the comments. how your trading goes with this strategy, how much profit you want. And also don't forget about the likes, comments, subscriptions to my YouTube and Telegram channel, guys. There's a lot of useful information below in the description. There's links. So have a good market. Bye bye.